Have you ever brought home a beautiful houseplant only to forget about it for a week or even two? You finally remember to water it, rush over in panic, and expect to find nothing but crispy brown leaves. But what if I told you there are incredible houseplants that actually prefer being ignored? That's right. Some plants don't just survive missed waterings. They thrive because of them. Whether you're busy with work, travel often, or simply forget your watering schedule, these resilient green companions can stay healthy with very little attention. Today, we're counting down the best drought-tolerant houseplants that can handle dry soil, low maintenance, and occasional neglect without losing their beauty. Stick around until the end, because the last plant on our list is nearly impossible to kill and has become a favorite among beginners around the world. Let's discover the toughest indoor plants every forgetful plant owner should grow. One, snake plant, Sansevieria. If there were an award for the toughest indoor plant, the snake plant would easily win. Its thick, upright leaves act like natural water tanks, storing moisture for weeks at a time. This means the plant can easily survive if you forget to water it for 2, 3, or even 4 weeks, depending on your home's conditions. In fact, overwatering is one of the few things that can actually kill it. Snake plants prefer the soil to dry completely before receiving another drink. They also tolerate low light, bright, indirect light, and even some direct sunshine. Their architectural appearance makes them perfect for modern homes, offices, and bedrooms. Besides being incredibly hardy, snake plants are also known for helping improve indoor air quality. If you're new to houseplants or constantly forget your watering can, this is one of the safest and easiest choices you can make. Two, ZZ plant. The ZZ plant has earned its reputation as one of the world's most forgiving houseplants. Hidden beneath the soil are thick potato-like rhizomes that store impressive amounts of water. These underground reservoirs allow the plant to remain healthy for several weeks without watering. Even if its soil becomes bone dry, the ZZ plant usually continues producing glossy, deep green leaves that look almost artificial because they're so perfect. It grows well in offices, apartments, and rooms with limited sunlight, making it ideal for busy lifestyles. Water only when the soil has dried completely, and avoid keeping the roots constantly wet. Too much care often causes more problems than too little. Its naturally shiny foliage stays attractive year-round with very little maintenance, proving that beautiful plants don't always require daily attention. Three, Jade plant. The jade plant is a classic succulent that stores water inside its thick, fleshy leaves and sturdy stems. Every leaf functions like a tiny water reservoir, allowing the plant to withstand long periods without irrigation. This makes it one of the best indoor plants for anyone who occasionally forgets to water. Jade plants actually grow healthier when allowed to dry out between waterings. Constant moisture can lead to root rot and leaf drop. Place your jade plant near a bright, sunny window where it receives several hours of indirect or gentle morning sunlight. With proper care, it can live for decades and eventually resemble a miniature tree with a thick trunk. Many people also consider the jade plant a symbol of prosperity and good fortune, making it both attractive and meaningful. Four, aloe vera. Aloe vera is much more than a medicinal plant. Its thick, gel-filled leaves are designed to store large amounts of water, allowing it to survive weeks of drought with ease. Native to dry desert environments, aloe actually dislikes constantly moist soil. Let the potting mix dry completely before watering again. Bright sunlight helps it stay compact and healthy, although it can adapt to bright, indirect light indoors. Besides being easy to care for, aloe vera offers an extra benefit. Its soothing gel can be used for minor burns and skin irritation. As the plant matures, it often produces small baby plants called pups, which can be separated to grow your collection. If you're searching for a practical, beautiful, and nearly maintenance-free houseplant, aloe vera checks every box. Five, Ponytail Palm. Despite its name, the ponytail palm isn't actually a palm tree. It's a succulent with one remarkable feature: a swollen bulb-like trunk that stores huge amounts of water. Think of it as the plant's built-in water bottle. This allows the ponytail palm to survive several weeks without watering, while continuing to produce its long, graceful, fountain-like leaves. It loves bright light and appreciates a sunny window where it can receive plenty of sunshine. Water deeply, then allow the soil to dry thoroughly before watering again. Because it grows slowly, it maintains its attractive shape for years, with almost no effort. Its unusual appearance makes it an eye-catching centerpiece, while remaining one of the easiest indoor plants to maintain. Forgetful plant owners absolutely love this unique survivor. 6. Cast iron plant. The cast iron plant truly lives up to its name. This incredibly durable houseplant tolerates neglect, poor lighting, irregular watering, and changing indoor conditions better than almost any other leafy plant. While it appreciates occasional watering, it can easily handle dry soil for extended periods without showing signs of stress. Its dark green leaves remain lush and elegant, even in shaded rooms where many other plants struggle. The slow-growing nature of this plant also means less maintenance overall. It rarely suffers from pests or diseases, making it an excellent choice for beginners and busy households. If you want a plant that quietly stays beautiful without demanding constant care, the cast iron plant is one of the most dependable options available. 7. Pothos. Pothos is famous for its trailing vines and heart-shaped leaves, but it's also surprisingly forgiving when watering is forgotten. While it grows fastest with consistent moisture, mature pothos plants can tolerate dry soil for short periods, thanks to their resilient root systems. You'll usually notice slightly drooping leaves before any lasting damage occurs, giving you plenty of warning to water. Once watered, the plant often recovers within hours. Pothos adapts well to low, medium, and bright indirect light, making it one of the most versatile houseplants. Regular pruning encourages fuller growth, while occasional watering keeps it thriving. It's an excellent choice for hanging baskets, shelves, or climbing supports where its cascading vines create a lush tropical look. 8. Hoya, wax plant. Hoya plants have thick, waxy leaves that naturally store moisture, making them highly resistant to occasional drought. Unlike many tropical plants, Hoyas prefer their soil to dry slightly before receiving more water. Overwatering is much more dangerous than underwatering. Their trailing vines and clusters of fragrant, star-shaped flowers make them especially rewarding for patient growers. Hoyas thrive in bright, indirect light and enjoy being slightly root-bound. Once established, they require very little attention and can continue blooming year after year. Their glossy leaves remain attractive even during dry periods, making them ideal for anyone who wants a flowering houseplant without constant maintenance. As you've seen today, you don't need perfect watering habits to enjoy a home full of thriving greenery. These hardy houseplants have evolved clever ways to store water and survive dry conditions, making them perfect for busy people, frequent travelers, and anyone who occasionally forgets plant care. Remember, with these plants, less is often more. Allow the soil to dry before watering again, provide the right amount of light, and avoid the temptation to overcare for them. Which of these resilient plants is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more indoor plant tips, beginner-friendly care guides, and easy gardening ideas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy growing!